me something about you. Something you've never told anyone else.
I'm a rapper.
There are 80,000 native Irish speakers in Ireland.
Ní fac I chiad gan tanga ach la náisiún.
3 of us have become rappers.
You might know the words, but you don't understand the language.
Ers muinte bhríomh fá thuirt fan ceol?
Deir sé go studio aige.
Well,
Agus rinse beats.
cinneál like. Well, ní héan Abbey Road, eh?
Abby what?
Agus seo boys, an Roland 808. Ní ar sy'r argar bí as rhyw like, fyr ciodri fwy lai Grimmer, when sy'r blastas, bin na dahri sy'n hip-hop, good John and your. Do I look like I want to read subtitles? 1, 2, 3.
Consider this here's the knock at the door before the knock at the door. Him and his wee pals' music. It's drawn attention from all the wrong places.
Nothing but a H-double-O-D, low-life scum.
We'll end up face down in an alley.
You have a life, a career, a future. Remember, I can take it all away from you like that.
Special delivery. Hey! No more music.
Every day I am not captured is a psychological victory against the occupiers.
Kneecap, so-called Irish language rappers promoting antisocial behaviour and violence.
Stay voice to tug of. Enough time, it's just useless.
I never want to see you again.
I never want to see you again.
Well, look who it is. Bone thugs and no harmony.
But those hoots have to say this city doesn't need to be hearing.
He's here asserting his right to speak Irish.
A Belfast band has been criticised for chanting anti-British slogans.
Gach focal Gaelic a literature. Sé pille, a skilter or some search na heron. Agus Billy or Shillavik.
Why don't you just speak the Queen's English? Oh, come on, let's go. Met kan je hier de fucking kring jullie Dr. Drainer again?